What's up, guys? Salvador Boy here, coming at you with another Friday video. Hell yeah. First video 2019. Hope you guys had an awesome 2018. 2019, here we come. Still, the bike is still down, but not to worry. I've been on the Jeep, and I've been working on the Jeep, and I want to show you guys this. We changed the whole front grille of the Jeep. I ordered the grill from Amazon. It's the Gladiator, not the second version, but the first version. I wanted still the same 7 slots on the grill to keep, you know, the Jeep style. So I went with that. And we also color matched the black and red to match Rex. And the cool thing about that is that I have some friends at Anikdote, which they hooked me up. And man, this thing looks badass. You have to see the video. So don't forget, hit up Anikdote for whatever you want painted. They will hook you up. So yeah, let's do this.
Turn it on.